Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just got a Danfoss VLT 2800 inverter that has come up with a fault code 9 and fault code 12 whilst testing. It's on a booster pump set. So currently the booster pump set on the right has kicked in. There's only 2 cold water booster pump sets here for the building. But this unit here that I'm having problems with, I'll show you my findings. So in the manufacturer's instructions, it states that fault codes 9 and 12 are mainly due to overloads. Fault code 9 is due to, on this unit, is due to the unit almost cutting out, the inverter almost cutting out as it's supplying power. So here's the incoming power. If you trace the wires round, there they are, comes through to here, and then as it comes into the inverter, comes out the inverter and to the unit, to the cold water booster set. Okay, so cut a long story short, I put my multimeter onto amps. You can check the one that's running, and it's showing 5 amps on one phase, 5 amps on another phase, and 5 amps on another phase. If we force the unit that's working off, the other unit should kick in. Up here you can see also the amps. So here we have it. It's drawing too much power. So we need to just get our part details for our booster pump set, our cold water booster pump set, and get it changed ASAP. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, please leave comments in the section below. Bye bye bye.